Hello everybody, I'm Iris and you're watching my channel Orma Tech. Today I'm gonna unbox and review one of the latest and smallest Bluetooth speaker released by JBL Go 4. Let's unbox it via ASMR audio recording. Okay, let's unbox it. Well, now let's talk about the specifications of this little cute speaker. When it comes to size, its length is around 9.4, its width is around 7.8, and its depth is around 4.2 centimeters, and this little cute weighs around 190 grams, which makes this speaker really pocketable, and you can take it anywhere you want, as it is an IP60 rating speaker, so you won't be worried if you want to take it near the pool or beaches. And as it has this little cute band, you can attach a carabiner to it and tie that around anything you want, which makes this speaker really handy. On the top of this speaker, we also have 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, and play and pause, which is a multifunctional button that lets you go to the next track by pressing it twice and to the previous track by pressing it 3 times in a row. And on the right side, we have power on and off, Bluetooth button, Auracast button, which lets you connect this speaker to other speakers of JBL that has Auracast support, and this is the first time that you can connect a Go speaker to other speakers of JBL, and it is a massive improvement. There is also an indicator on the right side that lets you know whether it's on or off, and is it connected or in pairing mode. On the left side, we have also a Type-C port and Go Forward logo. On the bottom, we have rubber feet, which keeps this speaker on its place. And on the back, now we have 2 rubber feet that are attached to the body firmly and cannot be peeled of easily what the problem that we have on Go 3 that make the speaker very ugly after using it for some time. This $50 speaker is equipped with 45mm transducer and a passive radiator that can produce up to 4.2 RMS watt, which is decent for its size and give you a really good amount of sound. When it comes to battery life, this has been guaranteed by JBL that come with you up to 7 hours if you keep the volume around 50%, but if you push it up to its full blast, it can come with you around 3 hours depending on the tracks that you play. And these numbers are very better compared to Go 3. One thing that this has over all the Go speaker of JBL is that this is supported by JBL portable application, which give you equalizers, firmware update, and a little option that give you even more battery life, which is called party time boost, and this is done by reducing the amount of bass that this speaker can produce. But at least it keeps the party going on for more time, around 1 hour or 1.5 hours, which can be useful sometimes. The equalizer that you can access to it are 4 preset EQs like JBL Signature, Energetic, Chill, and Vocal, and a customizable EQ that has 5 bands that let you tweak and keep it around what you really like. And you can see the product information such as serial numbers and the firmware version and things like that. Another thing that is very important is that you can connect this speaker to another Go 4 to keep them in a stereo pairing and enjoy left and right channel, which is very great. And also you can use the application to connect this speaker to other speakers that support Auracast connection protocol, which is a very good improvement compared to its predecessor. Now let's listen to the speaker and see how it performs in terms of sound. Let's go for it. Well, you heard by your ears how good this speaker is. Tell me what do you think about this speaker and comment under this post, please. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and let me continue content creating for you with better quality. Thank you. If I want to tell you my own opinion about this speaker, I have to say it's a massive improvement. I really like Go 4, especially when I compare it to Go 3, because it has a better battery life. It has app support, which let you tweak the EQ into your liking, and has some presets which are very fantastic and very different from each other. One thing that I really like about this speaker is the build quality. It does not peel off its rubber feet, and they are very sturdy, and it is a IP67 rating speaker, which is very useful when you want to take it out near water, like outside near pool or in the beach, which is great. One thing that I have to mention here is that attached band to the body is very better compared to its predecessor. Now it's more flexible and bigger, that let you attach it to more objects, which is great. When it comes to sound, I think for its size is a very decent sounding speaker. It has produced very good amount of bass, it's clear and it's loud enough for its size. One great improvement is the connection protocol that is built in this speaker, Auracast, and also TWS, that you can use it to connect this speaker to another Go 4 for a stereo sounding, which is very enjoyable. And if you ask me, should I upgrade to this from Go 3, I have to say yes, because it's a very great improvement and upgrade from its predecessor due to the things that I've talked about. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want you to like it and subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful. Thank you. Goodbye.